Tucked away on the shores of Loch Fyne, Cabin 1 feels completely hidden in nature, especially in summer when the trees and greenery wrap around it. From the outside, it's hard to tell there's a cabin here at all, until you move in a bit closer and spot the cabin's minimalist shape emerging between the trees. Built with clean lines and natural materials, it blends effortlessly into its surroundings, offering peace and privacy. Stepping through the glass door, you're welcomed into a warm, minimalist space. The living area combines a cozy seating corner with a simple kitchen and dining space, everything you need with nothing to distract from the view. The wood-burning stove brings a soft glow on cooler evenings, and from here, the full-height glass draws your eye straight out to the loch. Just outside, a peaceful spot to sit with your morning coffee and watch the light move over the water. A few steps further and you're right at the shoreline, surrounded by stillness and fresh air. Back at the cabin, there's even a small outdoor cooking area with a green egg barbecue, ideal for relaxed evenings spent outdoors. Inside, the bedroom continues the same calm aesthetic, with soft tones and a window looking out to the surrounding greenery. Next door, the bathroom keeps things simple and functional, with a rainfall shower and clean, modern design. As the day ends, the setting feels peaceful and completely undisturbed, just the sound of water and wind through the trees. I also filmed their sister cabin, Cabin 2, in late autumn, a different atmosphere but just as beautiful. And if you'd like to see that one, the link's right here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.